Blessings, everyone. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. Yeah, man. So, man, Chucky there up on the road again. We're done in the bush already, Now, today, guys, we have I'm gonna show you on screen right now. We're search for remember we growing out one place named Corial, and we found one of the locations. We found a part, but then that get late. Yeah, we're gonna finish that site, and we're gonna up on the river. It's another river, yeah. We're gonna up on the river and see where it leads to, because on the map, if you notice, there's another site right there on the map. All right, so yeah, man. But in the meanwhile, we have two abandoned buildings where we are gonna search. We want to see what going for them building. There still is it. So yeah, man. There's been a long break, and yeah, man. Sorry for the long break, but in everything you do in life, peeps, there's always a fight. Trust me. Sometimes it'll get hard just to make video. Easy me. But what? We are persevere. We are hold it, is it? Yeah, man, shout out to all of the supporters, everybody who support the channel, watching the video on your spare time, in your lunch time, on your break. Yeah, I've got a good video for you guys. Y'all follow me. Intro. You guys, you see this? We have to pick jelly? Yeah. Alright, go on and come. Peeps, check out pick jelly. Yo, watch your knife,
Oh, yeah, Edward. Yes, flexing.
Peeps, when you see that a while ago though, the knife flicked back the first time. Come go back out on the road now.
Yeah, man.
And look at peeps, lovely jelly. I'll go back on the road, show now when you reach out the road. Yeah, go down now, cool. Yeah, peeps, so this is the Corial main road. This road takes you to Brooksland and Pilot, otherwise Wilmington, otherwise known as Pilot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, all the way back down to Springyard, Hermitage, anywhere you want to go. Yeah, man. Bart Fountain also if you turn right. Yeah, anywhere out Portmore them side the same way.
Yeah.
You know? So, guys, as you know, we'll try search for all of them abandoned buildings here around here, because this was a large community. You know, I tell you a little story about the community from what they want to tell you, but I don't want to get confirmation first. There is no confirmation to be got, but I give you the story still. Yeah, man, coming up next. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, peeps, the one your phone on. Lovely surroundings, guys. I love the greenery. If y'all love the greenery, let me know in the comment section down below. Y'all hear that? I pause, make me hear that bird or whatever. That's a woodpecker. Somewhere up in the tree up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Peeps, this was a camera trick here. Chucky never chopped the jelly a while ago. So you just a chop it there. Yeah, man. That's the second jelly, guys. That's the first one.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't film me, oh. Jelly and more people, yo. I have to drink off this first. So I'm going to walk on the spot. Guys, we don't make two short, so two YouTube short. So we did actually start cut the jelly already, but if you look on the short, you see when it did cut still. Chuck here, chop out one coconut with one knife. Skills. Yes, so chop round there, so take out the middle piece there.
You know that.
Chop out there, so. I want to make an indentation in a man. You can chop it, you see it? And once you chop the shell like coconut itself, you know what going there, so.
Yeah. See that?
Shell you reach.
Long time. Alright.
Easy.
Easy.
Yeah, one here, man.
Yeah, one here, man.
Alright, put down the piece there. Yeah, guys, so I saw indeed.
Let me get a spoon.
Yeah, the next spoon. Hill spoon. Yeah, man. Guys, if you find a breadfruit, you know, peeps, we are roast some breadfruit too, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, because we just hunt for lost history, and at the same time, yeah, it's a hiking adventure. Yeah.
Yeah. Survival, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a survival video. You know, a reality. Can't bring nothing down.
No.
Yeah, man.
Just the fine things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sound like a chicken hack.
Yeah, guys, so as you all would have known by now, Coryall is an abandoned community. Alright, so yeah, I always wonder why the community abandoned and why so quick, because telling from the buildings that are here, I know so quickly get abandoned. You know? But here one little story. Chucky, you ever hear about the Obeahman book? Father never tell about the Obeahman book, or your grandfather, your grandmother, and nobody. But you ever hear about it?
No.
You ever hear some Obeahman live at Coryall and somebody stole the Obeahman book, and when he couldn't have found it, person started to die, so person started to leave the community. That's the story I heard, so that is why I said there's nothing to be proven. You understand? Because if you hear the sound of that story there, you know, say it not really sound
Straight
like a circle. You know? No, it not sound so. So guys, we're up on our way, man, in beautiful eastern St Thomas, Coryall Main Road, heading up to Brooksland to search for hidden history. Yeah, man. Cue the soundtrack, please.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
Yeah, guys, I saw the road still, peeps. Yeah, guys, we're fine. We walk a while ago and chuck something in the bush. Come on, what can we look? Yeah, guys, it's a piece of wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, that's a piece of wall right there. No denying that. You notice, hold the camera, Chucky. Alright, guys, as you notice, it's a piece of wall, right?
Yeah.
If we look here, you can see this is the middle part of the wall. This is outside, this is outside. So, I'm not sure if it was a barrier wall or what this was, but it looked like something just there, right? Yeah, so. So,
Yeah, look out.
have a look. Hunt for a hunting.
True.
Hunt for something on the map.
Yeah. Unseen, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, guys, because we keep on to find things that aren't on the map. So, we look for things on the map.
Yeah.
Because we can read, well, I'm not sure about you guys, I can read the terrain and just one piece of thing can help me. Either a piece of concrete, piece of brick, or something. So we are searching now.
I'm looking for it.
No,
Some more brick.
where?
Go on the front. Let's put on the front.
Just on the front, like there's a barrier wall for the road.
Something
Because
like
most of them places here,
Yeah.
most of the places where the towers were, you notice we have good roads leading up to the tower, to the great house.
Yeah.
Stop doing that. This, that. Look like it was a fence wall.
Fence.
Yeah, like it was a fence wall for the tower that was up there and the other building that we're going in search of. So, you can see what I want to.
Okay. Yeah.
So, check some. Some more of the wall, you know.
Yeah, there. You see it? Yeah.
So guys, we kind of think we confirmed so that it was a barrier wall for the roadside. Even when we went to St Thomas, going up to the Edinburgh Castle, if you guys notice, barrier walls on the roadside. Anywhere where the castle or the house or whatever is in a community. Whereas places like these,
Is a wall.
yeah, whereas places like these where people don't, like it hasn't been taken over or pushed away or anything like that, you're going to find say the original walls are still here. I don't see none on the side are still,
Yeah.
but, man, look.
Yeah, because weathers that pass by and destroy it. All the water pressure and stuff like that. So yeah. Yes. Well, them always tell me that when we find some trees like well, it's a tree, tea tree still,
What
right?
Who that? Bring that.
I mean, good. Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys, like, me just get almost get a heart attack a while ago because we are walking and talk. And you know, when me I walk and talk and me I film, it's like when I really expect to see somebody. So when I see somebody up out of the blues, it's like, not so deep, but
Yeah.
yeah, guys. As I noticed, this is the wall we found the other day over here. This was where one of the towers were. So we head down to the next side now, where we would leave them and finish them wall and thing we would find we never finish the video, guys. So that's where we're going. Alright. So, bless up, family.
Brother. Hold on. Yeah, I did, brother.
Yeah, I'm making videos here.
Thing up.
Wall for scenery. Oh, true. Yeah, guys. So we almost reached one of the old towers. As I told you guys, we don't know if it's a lookout tower, a water mill, a windmill, or what it was. But there was a tower here, and we're suspecting that there should have been a tunnel going into this one also. We're not confirmed that. We're not sure. However, we have been here several times. We're showing a little piece site, and then we have on to the next structure we will look for, guys. Alright? Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, on to the next journey we go. Like, I don't on the riverside. Near that, I'll hear somebody down there. So, follow.
Clean one.
Pass.
Right, did that part, yeah.
There's some here like me, small one. Yeah guys, so we reached down from the river. This seems to have been a dam, you know, peeps. We're not sure still, but this seems to have been a dam. Snap a picture. On camera it looks as if it was a dam, but I'm not sure. Or it could have been a part of a bridge.
To me, yeah, or a part of a pond that control water
Yeah, a dam.
pattern. Yeah. Great water pressure, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the other side, guys. See if we can go down there.
That's right. That's right. Come on, Sam.
Hmm? That's a old bath. A old bath. More concrete, guys. Old concrete running across here, going up there. And then we have this, which looks like a reservoir. Huh? This looks like a reservoir. Chuck your car, I don't know where I'm see. Now we'll find out. Yeah, guys.
Control the water, you know? Find a turn off.
Reservoir.
Listen?
Huh?
Find a turn off when it's like
Okay.
built for control water.
To control the water, it was a dam. Yeah, guys, so Chuck is saying find something on this one. Look on that tree there, peeps. A tree there, big, you know, big, no L. Look there. Chuck is saying find one lock off around this one. So I want to see that. Y'all want to see that? Type see that in the comment section down below. Round them I go. As you notice, guys, these walls, this construction here is much older. This is something on that, you know.
What?
Much older than the reservoir down there. That seems to have been the reservoir which they used to turn off and turn on the water for Corial and for Brookston to transfer water in between the two communities. Anyone who knows what a reservoir is, you understand what I'm talking. If you don't know, like it's some communities, the water shares between two parts of the community. So in the day, one side of the community have water, and at the night the next side have water. So there's a reservoir. Them turn it off and on from there. This seems to have been a dam back in the days before the reservoir though. Yeah. You understand? Piece of steel on it. Careful of hole, Chucky. Careful of hole. Anyway, them deal with water, hole can do that. Drop it, drop down. Look there, guys, that are the next side of the wall. So you see, this was the back of the wall for real.
Yeah.
It was a dam, that's why you see the next side smooth. So water to deal with. And it seems like it was all water for drinking and for the farm, them and them thing there in a slavery days. This, Chucky, the same thing like we'll find on, so you know. Only thing it was on a smaller scale.
Sure.
Yeah, guys, this is a dam, an old dam, but it's just on a smaller scale from the one we found around there. Go back down there, so Chucky. Right down where probably go a while ago. Yeah. Yeah, man, good. Picture me that, take.
I take a picture with it, bro, like.
Huh? Oh.
Seriously.
We just take a picture there and walk. A scale me that take, man. For them see how big it is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. And as we notice, water runs here. And that me always do, you know, Chucky. Film, and then me no remember say, me not take no picture for the video for the thumbnail them.
Yeah.
You see me? Over there, say track there still now.
Yeah.
Track that walk there, so. Walk over that side. Where the lock off there?
Right, yes, sir. I know, but me just want to say, sir.
Okay, guys. So this was either a turn on or lock off. This is something. Something to do with the water system.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so. We're up on a wild goose chase, but we are fine goose. Come on, we'll catch goose. Look at this, guys. The tree actually grows at the top of the wall, you know.
Yeah, man.
It grows out the top of the wall.
Right now, that tree root, the automatic wall is tools together.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Roots. Yes.
So the roots keeping the wall firm. Small tree, no?
Yeah, guys, so this was a dam, and as far as me see, here was built this way, like an archway for the water to come through. So maybe they had metal or they had something here that actually they used to block off the water when they're ready, when they needed to block it off. Up we are going now. That next way we are go first. Yeah, up top seem more interesting because normally the structure them are there above the dam, you see me? Yeah, guys, it's really a pleasure having you all here. Thank you so much for the support, for the time you spend watching these boring videos. If you all haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so by clicking the red subscribe button. And you can also give the video a thumbs up with that thumbs up button that's below the video. Really, really, really appreciate it. Yeah, man, so take the next couple of seconds and get that done. We'll be right back. Welcome back again, guys. Now, as you know, we were right over there by the dam. Yeah, that's the dam wall. As you notice, this side is smoother. Alright, I'm not really figure out how them shut off the water, how them turn it on, but as you notice, there's a let out over the next side. Alright, so now we are, that's the reservoir right there. Me and my voice are echo, maybe the reservoir empty. You see me, that's the reservoir right there. And we have the up, because there's a truck right here leading up. So we are see. You hear that? You hear that, Chucky?
Yeah.
You don't hear that, man.
Yes, sir.
If you did hear that, you would have told me say you hear. Where are you? Where are you?
You like something in it?
You like ear a blow through there, though?
Something in it, yeah.
You can look in there now.
Yeah.
Put the camera at the top and look in there and hold it there now, if you want to know.
Take a peek.
Yeah, guys, may actually hear something rumble inside of the reservoir. The mine you drop down, you can't just walk. Hold the whole of the
No, you see it?
Oh, you see
Yo, it's muddy.
mud inside?
Yeah.
Put the camera right down inside and show you.
Yeah.
You have a flashlight? You can see down in the clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so
Wow.
yeah, man. With the back from wheel, there's another reservoir up here. Chocolate, let me punch you there.
Yeah.
I want chocolate in that one. Sorry.
Pass me.
Tips, if you don't want chocolate, you don't have to follow me.
These are wild cocoa. See? Wild cocoa plants.
But then can't eat.
Yeah, you can eat it. But never ate it yet.
You know, a tree like this, people afraid of them tree and trouble.
Yeah.
Guys, persons are scared of trees like these. They're not even come near them. They're not touch them.
Telling you.
You see me? How can I tree this, Chucky?
No idea.
No idea.
No
I'm
idea.
going to go. Watch me.
Sweet though.
One and a good one.
Oh,
All.
yeah.
All of them all.
It's the top one. I went from the root. Yeah.
Nice.
I want it fresh.
You make them, huh?
Yeah.
One.
Yeah. But I want it fresh. Sure. Alright.
Them I can't hold me now. So next one.
That's sweetness, right? Sweetness. Oh.
One there.
Yeah, this is solid. Cut.
That one, the never find.
Alright, me do want to know. Yeah.
You want that one there?
Why not good?
One and a good. Wait, you don't call it.
No. Should one. Good. Let's go. Let's roll.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, you see this? This is chocolate. Chocolate. Cocoa. This is used to make chocolate. Like chocolate.
Yeah.
This is used to make chocolate. The one where you eat, the sweetie. The one where you females love, the chocolate. Yeah, this used to make chocolate. And the tea, and this used to make chocolate. Because it named chocolate. I don't me that try to do that.
Alright. And next one for blue.
Guys, we're going to Macca to go get chocolate wet. Them are not even too good neither. And look there. One of them one.
A lot.
One.
No.
Different color and different type. So that's why I'm looking at that one, I'm going to see if it's right and look that way, there is it.
Pear full of mosquito.
Yeah, that one a juicy peeps, you know see this?
Wow.
Well juicy.
A pear full of mosquitoes.
Yeah. Mosquito, you know me, no? They used to me.
You don't like me down, there's on my blood.
Yeah, guys, there's another reservoir here. Right there, so.
What did they bro?
Look one there.
Wow. That's water. Clear though.
Clear.
But some big leaf right now.
Yeah, guys, and
Look like water just come down from some place in it.
Yeah, man, it's a pipe in a pipe.
Oh, never know.
The reservoir. We
Alright,
still
so
use them. Let's go.
alright.
Yeah, peeps, so I'll go further and see what I go. No, go back to Korea. So I take it to our next entrance, guys. I take it round on the road.
Alright. Yeah. So we have come from out of the real jungle.
Now going to more jungle.
And I'm going to more jungle. Yeah, man. Reality, you know? Straight
Still
bushes
in
and
Korea.
trees. Yeah, man.
I head to Brooksland now.
You know that go.
An abandoned community. The lost in time. Now, but also more may check out. Is it Chucky?
Yeah.
I always see, but I always afraid to go up there. And the person that work with me, afraid to go up there. You know more time I like them thing?
Yeah.
One and two I see them fly down my throat. You ever saw them? When I look at them, I not spit them out, no? I swallow them. Yeah guys, so Chucky say him see something here saying over in the bush over there, so like one building. So we have a look. Building, last one. Whole heap? Whole heap a different thing? Like what? Yeah? Yeah? And look out. Guys, him say it there. So I go up there. Right after I pass the cash mark them. Yeah guys, so we'll take a break. Take an intermission for ads. This video is brought to you by Kashamaka, Mosquito and Nickel. Yeah man. Y'all watch this. You see this structure that I'm looking at, I don't see it good, but it looks to me like a grave. It is built like a grave. Like, if it's not a grave, then it's the remainder of a building. But if this is a grave, guys, this is like a high level burial site. So I'm going to show you guys, but I'm not ready for showing yet. I'm going to show you now. Yeah guys, so if this is a grave, then this guys is a high level burial site. So I not even know if I'm showing it yet, you know. Anyway, Chucky, show them. But now hold up, no time guys. Now look how.
Yeah man. Place look how weird though.
Slavery.
Slavery, yeah man, I know man. Pick up.
Hey peeps, Chucky getting confirmation, you know, Chucky say, yeah man, I know man. Alright, and then I tell me say a slavery, so I say no must. You know, we just have to look.
You have to look first.
Because guys, I find one house up there the other day, you know. And you see the house? Wow. The walls are like slavery walls.
Yeah.
However, we get confirmation say somebody built it back in the 60s. Them use stone to build them house. So we don't really want more of them. Something there, is it?
Sure.
This still there a long time. Long time.
Long time. True. Tree just grew up on him.
So guys, this is a piece of construction. However,
to my knowledge,
I'm not sure what I should tell you guys about this.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, I told you guys that we are on a wild goose chase searching for buildings that are not on the map. Because we're in somewhere rich with slave history.
Yeah.
And this goes to show. You see me? I want to go around the road and I got surprised. But this guys, well, go over this, sir.
Yeah. So I will try to cross something on the side of all this.
No man, no watch that. No go do that.
Yeah. At this point, you know?
So I say, you see a house up there too?
So yeah, but
okay.
Let's do this first.
Alright.
Then from there so we know what's what. Yeah, so come now. Watch your eyes and take a peek at it.
How much watch me eye? Peeps, like seriously. How much watch me eye? Give me some mirror.
Not a mirror.
No, don't ever watch me eye. Yeah guys, it's a piece of construction for real.
Yeah.
We can see that right there. And also, guys, and also, piece more, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Remember that? And also, yeah man, this is a piece more wall, guys. So this seems like the perimeter come from this, because there's a corner wall up the same notice, you know.
Yeah.
You see me, it goes so and then goes so.
Sure.
So it come down. And it's a piece more, yeah?
Yeah. So basically, to my understanding, it looks like
it's a big building there, man.
Tower?
Guys, no, not a tower.
Oh.
Well, I couldn't say.
Yeah, because...
Yeah.
Come
But it was a very large building that was here, because at the end of the day, Chucky SMC had more building up there, so.
Yeah.
And if you come here, guys, and look right here. Look right here.
Yeah.
That's another part of the wall right there, as you notice. And it's also over there. See that? So it goes up there, come down, and go cross. So, guys, what we're going to do, we're going to We are gonna go across. We are gonna cross over that side and see what building is over there. Over there, so first.
We don't know
Oh,
what that
piece
is.
over there, so.
Yeah, that's...
What's that?
That type of... No, no idea. No idea at all. What it is.
Yeah, guys, so
So
this
might be...
definitely was construction,
Yeah.
but this could have been a grave.
A graveyard.
Could have been a graveyard.
Can go,
No, not a graveyard.
can go into
We not seen a grave flowers, and normally we would have seen them.
trees.
Yeah.
Trees, yeah. Might be to me, might be the tower or something nearby. Look out for
No,
it.
this is not upon the map. If it was a tower, we would have seen it on the map. Could be just a slave quarters or slave master's quarters. Or like some of it green or something. Gone right back? Yeah, but we can't risk safety for amusement. We're not on a machine, you know.
Sure, okay, I'll try squeeze through.
If the cashier then do me a way a while ago, make me afraid to go through the bush. Yeah, dog. I think need have determination. They beat me. Go on, man, my phone. Yeah, guys, more wall right here. We can definitely.
So we get a good understanding.
But it's a bush, you know, man. Yeah, guys, that's a piece of the wall right here, alright? So the wall that run come down.
Right down on here.
Alright. And Chucky same seat down here, so too.
Fast, huh? What the fast?
Something to look at, son.
No, that's fast right here. Pick out that one.
Yeah, guys, that's the wall right there. Coming down. And Kashamaka right here. Growing. Yeah, guys.
Right.
Yo, this was a tower, you know.
Exactly.
Chucky, you're right, you know.
No, I have brain.
This was a goddamn tower. The entrance set up the square part.
Yeah. But me just...
Chucky, I learn fast,
I don't
peeps.
really understand something else about it.
When I understand.
What me not understand about it? Alright. To my understanding, it's like...
That would be the entrance to the square part there,
Yeah.
because you always have a square part on them. If you look on the one along a license bill,
Yeah.
you always have a square part for where them living at, and then the next part go up.
Oh. Because it's gonna be the building part, you know?
Yeah,
I was doing it's gonna be the lookout.
yeah.
That me have,
But it no must be a lookout, you know. It used for a lookout purpose, but then it can be windmill, light mill,
yeah.
lighthouse, any one of them thing. Beacon. Sure. But guys, this was definitely a tower, because if you notice, it's a round construction now, guys. I don't know how for that.
Look here.
Yeah?
Hold on, this looks like a driveway to me. You know, it designed like a driveway.
Driveway
Or a
also.
walkway, you know, walkway. So it'd be like a walkway, you know?
You
come
can't
on there.
confuse yourself still, you know. You can't confuse yourself still, you know.
Show that. Where could we have before, right?
Make we see. We want to really sure. If
Go right round.
Hold this.
Yeah.
You see, if this was a driveway right here come up, that means it's a big house up there, so, you know.
Exactly.
Where you say it's like something up there.
Yeah.
And that would just be like a yard house right there. And a
Yeah.
there, so.
Yeah, me I look at.
And that, yes, this feel like me walk on the road.
Wow. So you have to really look around here, so.
No,
Take a
this
peek.
look like a circular building still, you know.
Yeah.
It don't look like a driveway.
Oh.
It looks circular.
Yeah. Well, they did it. They did great
It is a
construction.
driveway. Where them would I enter? Enter down this and come on?
No, it's too high. It's too high for that.
If this was a driveway,
So
it would
look
be back in a pre-rebellion era.
Yeah.
When people just build a big driveway but they never have a car. You know?
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, because see how the house stay up there safe. There is a house or construction up there. Chuck say I'm still like him something. But in them bush, what I'm not understand is that things will make you see it and then it disappear.
Really?
I'm not say nothing more. This feels like definitely like on a road going up.
Yeah. I feel like the thing down here connect with up here. I think so.
Could be.
Yeah.
Because wherever a tower is, you know.
Yeah, it's like
There's have other buildings and stuff.
yeah. For real. Take your time. Walk over here, sir. Walk over here, sir. Risky. Alright. Yeah, man, you have to look out for it. One more to that too, you know?
Hold that.
Hold it, man. Maca tree.
Yeah. Hold it. Where there?
You see it in front here too? Yes, man. Small one. Alright, look on the building now, bro. Look on the building.
The bush dark, you know, me have to wear my shades, you know.
Yeah?
Look like it's a tower the bed, you know.
So we can see. Yeah, it's a circular building, bro. Yeah, it's a circular building. Because that's where it break off right there. So to my understanding, look like it's a tower. From my understanding. Black, right? Yeah, I know. What? Some construction?
Guys, let me tell you now. Let me see how you have to look. Like a big animal the day you see, you know, man. I mash down the whole place, you know.
Yeah.
We have black here. We have black. Somebody that build a house up here now. Foundation.
Sure. Run away.
Somebody that build a house up here, no bother. But that down there, so the stone wall, wouldn't be for this house.
No.
No.
That's for something else.
Couldn't be for this house.
Sure.
So guys, this is a house that was being built right here. Show them the block then.
Right along the way going down. Yeah.
Modern blocks.
Modern blocks.
So this wouldn't have anything to do with
Not over there. And look here. That building up there, sir.
other building.
Yeah, just might be similar to this one or yeah, something like that.
Construction.
Yeah, go up there so you see it.
I'll go up there with the camera.
We have a peek up there to see what's up there. Yeah?
Wow, it's big, man.
Alright.
It's big.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't want to see that.
You want to see that part there?
Yeah.
Quite look older, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fast. But yet
What
still.
the hell are going up here, so yo?
No.
No, peeps, like, seriously. What do you really think are going up here, so? Because I don't understand none of them buildings, you know.
Really and surely.
I'm confused. Because this look like one old pit. Like one old pit toilet. And it could be some Buckmaster building because we find a lot of these over all of them, guys. And remember?
Yeah. Modern, right?
Yeah, modern. But I mean, like,
Wow.
no man, it's not going up here. Wonder if them things have nothing to do with the water place down there, sir. We'll
Yeah.
go further back, sir.
Similar.
We'll go, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Walk through, sir. Walk around.
Yeah, guys, so we just had to switch camera because space run out on the next one. However, man, somebody out this house here bike, we don't know how still. So we are come out of the bush here and we are go over the next building to see if we find it. Back to regular programming. It's here. Yeah, bless him.
Hold on. Come on. Come on. Hold on.
You see that?
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, guys, so
Chuck here looking at the bush if you see nothing. I don't think nothing over this is still.
That's still there.
So that's where it was up there. At least we find piece of a construction. We don't really know what. Whatever we can say here. We'll find that. Alright, so we're on our way. Going up further and further. Up to Brooksland.
Right there.
Is there a look? Catch that on camera, I know. It's a road. It's a road. Graveyard.
Yeah, family plot.
Family plot.
Yeah. So them buildings there. Right there. And then clean to there.
No man, the road I go somewhere man. House must up the same.
Oh.
Guys, family plot over there. Yeah man, but a road always leads somewhere. I don't know where bad road lead to. Bad roads always lead to good places. Hmm? No. Alright, come in. Here guys, so we are growing a little further. That's nothing? Jelly? Alright, so we are turned back.
Yeah.
Camera no seat.
You hear that? Hey, yeah. Oh, you're not coming now? You're not coming. You'll jack the pin, though? Bird them all sing. Oh, the place is nicer than what's still, no? Pretty well, okay. Not really I used to.
Yeah, I would have seen.
Yeah. No. What you supposed to go right back on?
I want to thing where you can make the day pass it.
Oh.
Oh, so yeah, then it's in shop.
Oh. I know.
Guys, you know what time it is? It's rain time, it's the rain coming down. Yeah, I try to get sunshine still, I ain't enough for it. Yeah guys, so this is the next abandoned place. So we want to check out. So we have to look like what?
Yes. Well, yes, it's an whole community, you know.
Do a video on already, you know. Abandoned community for you. That's on YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah, that makes me run bike all these days, you know.
Yes. Hey.
Guys, so the last time I came here, when I came to this building, the person that was working with me never really wanted to go further. So, hey, what that? No piece of concrete or no stuff?
No, tree.
Oh. This one right about?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, this is one more old building. Not a slavery building as I said, but that's an old building right there. Part of the community. From when the community was here. Now it's all abandoned.
Yeah, so this will be the first modern concrete house. That part of it. Okay.
And I have that history there.
Okay.
But what I know for a fact now is that other slavery buildings were here.
Yeah.
That's my final one there. Around across.
Yeah.
Yeah guys, so it seems that this was built on the site of another house or one of those pre-colonial structures. Yeah, I'm not trespassing. Might as well we all continue. Yeah, man.
Work. For the people. Looking for the people.
Here's another. Ooh, there's some more lamp on.
Marco.
Something moving in the bush now. Guys, this is another piece of the older construction that was here. So now for your fact guys, I'm sure there's something else there before the house and the house is really old.
True.
Something else there. Speaking of the water guys. What else we say guys? This video is brought to you by Kashamaka. Not more than
I'm less. The whole lime is on the tree.
So, it seems like another house was here, a larger house back in the days. We can't find a night, just a little piece of water understanding. If we find more over here, then maybe we can get a better understanding. But as for now, we just know that another construction was here, a pre-colonial construction was here, and then this was built after. Alright, let's look for the one over here. So. I don't really want to drop none of pit now, guys. You know them people back then use pit tile.
Yeah.
And it's big, you know. What is behind it?
That's look like I'm gonna do like looks scary though.
Yeah, over here so let's scary.
Yeah.
Cue scary music. Follow me.
Yeah.
It's in a prefer walk down flat, you know, than walk on the concrete.
Yeah. If I walk on it, on the outside for the concrete.
Yeah guys. For the place there, no man. You see this? You see this? Up on a tree.
Oh guys, another spring bed right here.
Look there. Guys, remember this tree that we found over an art shield? One of these trees? Yeah, I don't remember what name. Anybody remember what name? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Over here so pretty and just level and thing for tree in a chucky. One shot gone on there, something on there, sir? Where say I split up? You go east and me go west. Come on, search. Guys, these are steps right here for this building. So I can look inside. That's inside, guys. Yeah, man. It's all grown over. And there's another small one here. Check that also. Let's see what's going on. Because it seems like a wall is down there or something. I'm not sure. Sometimes I don't really see the thing them proper. But anyway. Let's go. Here's another structure right here. Guys, check it out. Way over this, you know. Another one there, so this looks like a tank. Looks like a tank right here, guys. No entrance. So, have to look up top. Let's see what's going on. Chucky! That's up there, look, guys. Yo! So Chucky find something. So we're going down there, guys. Find modern construction. I find piece of metal, dog. I find piece of metal. Yeah, my battery low. Yeah, guys, so this come out of one car. No question about that. Alright, so this here though, piece of drum. It's a normal piece of metal. So, yeah. Surroundings, guys. Chucky reach back.
Yeah.
Stick, going eye. You need shades in the bush, bro.
Goggles.
Yeah, piece. Other piece of metal, let me see. This. And it's circle, I think. No, that circle gone around. They said the tree growing out, you know? Yeah, you see that? Tree growing out the piece of metal. Alright, growing out the tree. This more iron?
Yeah.
Take it out.
Can't come out. Can't move.
Well, the one now was
Bed spring.
yeah, true. Well, the pump, yeah, man. Them off now. Well, the pump metal, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a hidden firearm. Something a slidey.
About it.
Yeah, guys. That's one tank, you know?
Yeah.
You can't see in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, this is the building. Just go inside here.
Design upon it too. Yeah, it's still there. Still stick.
Think it was a stop.
Oh,
I won't let it sound, don't drop it.
okay. Oh. It's a big giant tree. Look like a fruit tree, but when you come in, it's not. Damn. Alright, take the wrong road. Look there, sir. I'm showing in front here.
Yeah, peeps. Are y'all enjoying this video? Wanna make me know. Really interesting adventure. What that Chucky up? Chucky, what that?
Oh, so what's up?
So what's up? Yeah, man. So it was really a great adventure, guys. Yeah, it's about to rain, as you notice behind me, a rain that, you know.
Yeah.
So we have to start move fast to reach back out of the bush. So if you have all made it this far in the video, yeah, man, really appreciate it. Type the word so what's up in the comment section down below. Yeah, man, see there? So what's up? Alright, so until we meet again here in St Jamaica, just wanna say y'all stay safe and bless up. Now take care of yourself.
Much love and unity. Yeah, guys. Enough love. Yeah. Shout out to you. So what's up? Mwah. Favorite.